Pakistan falls among those countries that are most prone to natural disasters and calamities. These calamities destroy the livelihoods of communities which are vulnerable to natural disasters. The United States Agency for International Development, or USAID, in partnership with the government of Pakistan, has always extended humanitarian assistance to the people of Pakistan in order to protect people from forthcoming disasters and for developing disaster-resilient communities. The earthquake of 2005 in Pakistan was no less than a tragedy. The country came to a standstill and many Pakistanis lost their lives. The US extended its humanitarian support by providing medical relief, supplies, and troops for performing rescue operations in the various regions of Pakistan. The Development Agency also provided shelter to the families that lost their houses to the earthquake. In 2010, USAID, through its prompt response, diverted worst-case scenarios as it rehabilitated deteriorated riverbanks. In District Charsadda, the agency restored Munda Headworks Dam and restored water supply to 160,000 acres of agricultural land. The floods of 2010 also interfered with educational activities. USAID, along with the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, restored the schools which had been damaged by the floods. The energy sector of the country in 2010 also fell casualty to the flooding. In Batkhela, the Development Agency, with its timely intervention, restored Amandara Headworks, which were complementing 3 grid stations of 181 megawatts of electricity. The restoration work resumed water supply to 280,000 acres of land and is supporting over 200,000 families. The tourism sector is an important medium for casting a positive image of Pakistan abroad. As a result of flooding in 2010, the hospitality sector suffered a major setback. USAID, through its technical and financial assistance, helped rebuild the hotels in Swat. The fisheries in the northern areas of Pakistan also faced devastating consequences. The US provided an impetus to the fisheries and revived the breeding of the trout fish in the upper regions of the country. During the COVID-19 outbreak, USAID provided health support to the federal and provincial governments of Pakistan. The US, under humanitarian assistance, sent various tranches of vaccines and personal protective equipment, or PPEs, for the people of Pakistan. The agency also established various testing centers in collaboration with the local health departments to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Through humanitarian assistance, USAID has developed close ties with the government and the people of Pakistan. The mutual cooperation between the two sides has provided beneficial in addressing developmental challenges.